Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss about assert array equals by using simple test case. Create one method, void test assert array equals. Inside it, take one array with a name A, take some integer values 2, 3, 4, array B with the name B, take some values 1, 2, 3, 4. Now assertions dot assert array equals this at assert array equals, let's say for example here it is taking two parameters which is of type integer. Now we are taking the two parameter values which is of type integer, the expected as well as the actual. Let's say for example here I have taken array A, array B with the values 1, 2, 3, 4. Now expected is I am giving as A, actual is I am giving as B. Annotate this method with the rate of test. Now run it and see. See here the test has been passed. Let's say for example here I have taken 5 in the array A. Run it. The test has been failed and it is saying that expected is 5 and but the actual value is 4. That's why the test has been failed. Now get back to the previous thing. Now both are same, the size is same. Now run it. The test has been passed. This is the usage of assert array equals with a simple example.